What if we told you that a Vermont janitor died, leaving $8 million? That Colonel Sanders, founder of KFC, was rejected over 1,000 times before his fried chicken idea was accepted? Or, how about a former teacher who built a $1.9 million business, starting with just her last $99? And that a British dyslexic dropout built a billion-dollar empire, which includes a successful airline brand too. Welcome to Money Mosaics, where every money tale becomes an unforgettable adventure. Let's be honest, most money content is either boring lectures or sketchy get-rich-quick schemes. But nobody talks about the wild stories hiding behind every dollar or pound in your wallet. That's where Money Mosaics comes in. We don't give investment advice. Instead, we blow your mind with incredible money stories you never knew existed. For example, did you know that ancient civilizations used chocolate as currency? That billionaires have built huge empires from nothing? The financial scams that fooled individuals and entire countries? That a shepherd accidentally invented banking? Why do people pay millions for digital art? How does one bank decision affect your coffee price? These are the stories that make money fascinating and full of intrigue. This isn't your typical finance channel. We don't do boring jargon or stock tips. Instead, we like to turn money history into binge-worthy entertainment. Each video is pure jaw-dropping moments that hopefully you'll really enjoy. We make financial education feel like the best gossip you've ever heard. Get mind-blowing money facts that'll make you the most interesting person at dinner parties. Stories so wild your friends won't believe they're true. New videos will drop regularly with pure money storytelling you won't find anywhere else. No fluff, no filler, just incredible tales you may find hard to believe. If you love stories about scams, millionaires, and wealth creation that sound impossible but happened anyway, you're in the right place. Let's piece together the most amazing money stories ever told. Hit the subscribe button now and never miss a new video. Welcome to Money Mosaics.